Hello again. Welcome back to Grace Signature. I am Grace Annabelle, the chef behind this channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my versatile pepper sauce. This is amazing. This is fantastic. It is great. All right, guys. And this, I call this my versatile sauce because I use this as a condiment, as a dip, as an appetizer. It is really nice, guys. I used this sauce in marinating my chofi, which is tequito, and then oven fried it, and guys, it came out really good. So come with me to my creative kitchen and let's start cooking. All right, so I have 2 red onions, 1 white onion, 4 green chilies, 2 red chilies, 6 cloves of garlic, a thumb size of ginger, 11 pieces of mini sweet peppers, 2 red habanero peppers and 1 green habanero pepper for heat, 3 tablespoons of shrimp powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, curly parsley, and coriander. All right, so at this point, I've prepped all my veggies, and now I'm going to put everything in the blender and start blending. At this point, I'll go ahead and add the herbs and then start blending this. For this recipe, I'm using my food processor because I do not want to add this to water to this. So if you are using a normal blender, I will advise you to use oil instead of water because I don't want it to get in touch with water. Okay, so yes, after adding in the herbs, I'll go ahead and blend this. Remember not to add the shrimp powder and the salt. We'll deal with that later. I don't want to finally blend the veggies and the herbs. I want it coarsely, okay? Like crushing it, just crushing it. I don't want it to be fine or smooth now. I want it a bit rough and in chunks, a bit chunky. After blending this, I'll pour this into a clean bowl and then put this aside. Next, I'll get my saucepan or my pot on my cooker, add in some coconut oil. If you do not have coconut oil, you can use olive oil or any oil that you have available. All right, so at this point the oil is hot enough, so I've poured the mixture into the oil. I will cook this on a medium heat for 10 minutes. And remember to stir those occasionally so that it doesn't get burned or stick to the bottom of your saucepan. Alright, so at this point I will go ahead and add in my salt. That's a teaspoon of salt, followed by the shrimp powder. Give this a good stir and leave this on a low heat for 5 more minutes, and our versatile sauce should be ready. Okay, so at this point my sauce is getting there. Okay, so now I'll turn off the heat, leave this to rest for about an hour or more, or until this is completely cooled. Here we are. So at this point I will transfer this into my sterilized glass jar or mason jar. All right, and then cover it. And here we are. My versatile sauce is ready. I call this versatile because I use this as a condiment, as a dip, as an appetizer, and as a marinade. I marinated my tequito, which is commonly known in Ghana as chofi, with the sauce, and guys, trust me, those came out really good. It was beautiful, and not just beautiful but tasty as well. I did not fry those in oil. I oven fried that, so I'll be sharing that recipe with you as well. All right, guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If today is your first time stopping by, a very warm welcome to my channel. Before you leave, you subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell, meaning anytime I upload a video, it will go straight into your inbox and you will never miss an upload from me. Always remember to share my videos with your family and friends. I'll see you again in my next one. Bye bye.